This model has been spotted on the road and even though it still wears complete camouflage, some things are easy to see. The new generation seems to feature a more rugged styling and bigger dimensions. Interior: the 2023 Honda Pilot interior will also come completely new. First of all, we count on the dashboard design. The current model look nice and feature very good build quality. However, younger develop funkier. So we many person that Honda will go in the same direction. This means we are about to see more attractive, authentic, more that feature and even nicer material. 2023 Honda Pilot Eagles. Unlike the rest of the physical, this aspect won't bring too many change. The 2023 Honda Pilot will continue with the Wicknow 3.5-liter V6, which will feature a max output of 218 horsepower and two 16.7 pound-feet of torque. The Eagles will come complete with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and we have no doubt that this setup will provide more than satisfying performance. Also, we presume that MPG rating will be pretty similar to the outgoing generation, which will mean around 18 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway. 2023 Honda Pilot released and pride the 2023 Honda Pilot should hit the market something in the second half of 2022. Talk a more prices that is yet to be announced when it's come to this price. We presume that base version will go around $37,000.